Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the video which I told you about the Princess of Wales Diana Memorial Play Park. So let's go and see what's there for us. So this is a really nice place for all the families to go and visit with their children, where the children have lots of things to see and enjoy for free. So let's go inside and see what's there for them. So we just entered the play park, kids play park. Actually at the entrance there was a sanitary area with toilets, mushrooms, and also with a little cafeteria. So it was really nice. And so as you enter from there, you can see the sand pit, and there you can see a pirate ship. So the children love to climb up to the ship and they play, so they can go underneath, and also they can climb up to the mast, and they enjoyed a lot there in the sand pit as well. It's really nice, and the kids really enjoy this place. So this area is really separated for kids, so you cannot enter this area without the kids. So remember that. So as you pass this sand pit, when you go further you can find this beautiful wooden creation. So it contains with lots of activities for children, and they have areas for like ladders like things to climb, and also sliders, and it's really nice. They can enjoy a lot there. So this is a really nice creation to help with the children's gross motor development. So look at this beautiful nature. It's covered with trees and little plants. It's really beautiful. And also inside there is another little sand pit as well for the babies, and a play area with lots of equipments and activities.
You go this side because of Sunday. You go this side.
So it's a really nice kids play park and they really enjoy there. There were lots of things for them to explore. There were different types of musical instruments to try and lots of different activities were there, so they loved it. So in this area you can see some huts and also the ground is covered with wood chips. So children love play inside. They are very simple things but they love them. So we came out of the play area and now we are heading to the pond to see the swans, and you have a nice view and it's a very precious garden. It's really nice. It's shaded with lots of big trees and a beautiful park, I must say.
Ada. හිටියාම තියෙනවා.
Oh, look at them, how gorgeous they are. Actually, this is a real beautiful place. You must come and see. And also, I must say, we couldn't explore that much because we didn't have time on that day. We suddenly came to see this very suddenly to see the park, and then we can do visit the palace as well, but we have to book the tickets online. So let's see next time. So this is the Kensington Palace. You can see there, we can see some repairs going on, but still you can visit the place. So you have to just to book the tickets and go. Thanks for watching. Soulful Smiles. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe.